Hello friends, today we will discuss economic reforms in India with reference to LPG. Economic reforms in India, particularly with reference to LPG, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization, refer to the series of policy changes initiated in 1991 to shift from a state-controlled economy to a more market-oriented and globally integrated one. It was done during the tenure of Prime Ministership of P.V. Narasimha Rao and Finance Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. These reforms were aimed at addressing the economic crisis India faced during the late 1980s and early 1990s, characterized by high fiscal deficit, a balance of payment crisis, and low foreign exchange reserves. Liberalization involves relaxing government controls and regulations in the economy, allowing to more freedom for businesses and industries to operate. Before 1991, India had a highly regulated economy with significant government interference in production, pricing, and foreign exchange. So, key aspects of liberalizations are industrial policy reform. The industrial policy of 1991 removed licensing requirements for most industries, except a few like defense and alcohol, enabling the private sector to expand freely. This opened up more opportunities for entrepreneurs and led to increased competition. Foreign exchange reforms. India moved towards a market-determined exchange rate system. This allowed businesses more freedom in foreign exchange transactions, making imports and exports easier and more competitive globally. Before 1991, car manufacturing was heavily regulated. After liberalization, companies like Maruti Suzuki expanded production, leading to increased consumer choice and competition. Then privatization. Privatization refers to the transfer of ownership and management of public sector enterprises to private entities. Before 1991, India followed a socialist economic model where public sector played a dominant role in industries like steel, telecommunications and banking. Key aspects of privatization. Disinvestment in PSUs, that is public sector undertakings. The government started selling its stakes in several public sector undertakings to improve efficiency and reduce the fiscal burden. Private sector participation. Key sectors like telecommunications, banking, and civil aviation were opened up to private players, fostering competition and improving service. Example, in 1990, the Indian government allowed private companies like Bharti Airtel to enter the telecommunication sector, which was previously monetized by government entities like BSNL. This led to massive improvements in telecom service and connectivity across the country. Globalization. Globalization refers to the integration of the Indian economy with global economy. This was achieved by removing trade barriers, reducing import tariffs, and encouraging foreign direct investment, that is known as FDI. Key aspects of globalization. Trade policy reforms. India reduced import tariffs and eliminated quantitative restrictions, encouraging trade with foreign countries. This opened the domestic market to foreign goods and also helped Indian industry to become more competitive globally. FDI policies, that is foreign direct investment policies. The government allowed foreign companies to invest in various sectors, bringing in capital, technology, and expertise. Example, the entry of global companies like Coca-Cola, Ford, and Hyundai into India post 1991 is a direct result of globalization policies. Their presence has spurred industrial growth, employment, and technological advancement in the country. Impact of LPG reforms. Economic growth. India's GDP growth rate increased significantly post 1991, reaching as high as 8 to 9% in the mid to rise of private sector. The private sector has become a key driver of India's economy, especially in sectors like IT, telecommunications, and banking. Increased foreign investment. Foreign direct investment increased manyfold, contributing to industrial growth, infrastructure development, and job creation. Consumer benefits. Increased competition and privatization led to better quality products, services, and more choices for consumers. Conclusion. The LPG reforms in India fundamentally changed the structure of economy, moving it towards a more open, competitive, and globally integrated system. While these reforms have led significant economic growth and modernization, challenges like inequality, joblessness, growth, and need for further structural reforms remain.